Okay guys, this video is going to be all about how to improve your posture. Posture is honestly so important and so underrated. If you go to a job interview, the first thing they're going to notice is your posture. If you're meeting a girl or a guy, the first thing they're going to notice is your posture. A lot of people now spend too much time on their phones. They're always looking down, and that eventually will be their posture, kind of like this. It's not a good look. So in this video, I'm going to show you ways which you can remove your forward head posture. This exercise is called the chin tuck. Your main goal is to try and drive your head up the wall by pushing in your chin and creating as many double chins as possible. This is one of the best exercises you can do to improve forward head posture. This is a face pull, so this is great for building symmetry within the shoulder. It prevents that forward sloping look. You can actually do this from home just using an elastic rope. Just tie it to a door and pull it towards your face, just like the video I'm showing you now. So this exercise is similar to a push-up. It's called the prone press-up. It's like doing a push-up, but instead of using your arms, you use all your lower back until you need to use your arms. So try and stretch out as much as possible before you need to use your arms. This is great for the core and also for the lower back. Do this every day for 2 to 3 minutes. The dead hang. This exercise is like a stretch for the spine. It can increase your height and also ease lower back pain. It's great for forward head posture. Do this every day before you're about to do a gym workout.